The police have confirmed that the men killed in an alleged gun battle this morning were on a mission to carry out murders at a location along Orange Street in downtown Kingston. The police high command has since condemned the brazen attack, which it says represents a direct assault not only on the members of the constabulary, but on the state itself. Kirk Wright has the details.
The dead men are 44-year-old Garnell Jackson of a New Haven address, Romaine Lewis of Sigourney Drive, Kingston 2, Stephen Rochester, a 19-year-old carpenter of Love Lane, and the youngest of them, 17-year-old Daniel Rose of Mark Lane, also from Kingston Central. The police say the gunmen were traveling in this Toyota Isis motor car that crashed after they gave chase. The men went to this premises on Orange Street, where the police say the shooting all started. Now, I'm standing on Orange Street at the old JPS building, 151 Orange Street. Right across the road is the Tranquility Funeral Home, where the bodies of the men are now being kept. This entire area has been littered with spent casings of all kind. On the steps of the old JPS building, going right up to the top, has been littered with spent shells of all kinds. I came here early this morning and I saw spent shells from high-powered weapons and handguns. The residents told me that they were frightened after hearing explosions in the wee hours of the morning. An elderly man at the location recounted being fearful during the ordeal.
Me almost drop off of my bed. Me a tremble like leaf.
I know you feel like tremble. Look on the finger.
Me a tremble like leaf cause we can't. Me spouse there. And you see when me do something touch her, we can't believe the thing goes on. Thousands of shots. Me I wonder if somebody can fire shot at somebody's front.
The police surmise the gunmen went there to avenge the killing of a man on King Street last Friday. Superintendent Beresford Williams says that man was aligned to the Taliban gang and that the police believe he was killed by men who had left the gang because of a 2-year-old disagreement. He says the police who were in the area heard the explosions along Orange Street sometime after 1 a.m. and went there to investigate.
Shortly after, a white ISIS drove out of a nearby empty lot with men aboard who opened fire at the police. The police returned the fire and pursued the men in a moving gun battle. The gunmen subsequently drove onto King Street, where the vehicle crashed in the vicinity of Charles Street. The men, numbering about 6, alighted from the vehicle and continued firing at the police.
The police say they also seized 5 firearms, including 2 rifles, after the shooting. He says the gunmen ran and during a search, they shot a policeman in the arm. His injury is not considered life-threatening. At least 2 vehicles were damaged by bullets during the gun battle. The police say they're searching for 2 other gunmen who they say were traveling in the ISIS motor car. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.